Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and to another video. This is gonna be a quick little video on everything I have crocheted in the month of September 2021. So it's the first time I'm doing this kind of video, and I was actually inspired by Mr. Bobbin, Copy Callie. I'm gonna link their channels down below, of course, and I am just gonna go ahead and tell you in order what I crocheted in September. I don't have all the items because I actually sold them, because I made them to order. People ordered them and I shipped them to their houses, so they're not here anymore. But I'm going to show pics of every single project that I made in September. So let's get to the video. So the first thing I made is this checkered bag for one of my customers. She ordered 3 things and I actually made a video on that. You can see it here or here, I'm not sure which side, whatever. So I'm gonna link that video and you can watch the whole video of that order. But yeah, I made it for one of my customers and it's definitely one of my favorite projects ever. I love that bag so much, and I said that I'm probably gonna make that for myself too. I have made a smaller version of that though. You will see that later, and you can see that in another video which I made, which I'm going to link as well. So yeah, that bag took me like 3 days to make, and it was the first project of September, and I made it really quick. I really thought it would take me much longer time, but it didn't, so it's fine. I loved making it, and I'm really into checkered crochet since making that bag, because it was in my plan to make something checkered, but that was the first thing that actually made me crochet a checkered something. So since then I have made like 3 or 4 checkered projects and I love them all. The second thing I made in September are the Kylie Jenner, Rihanna inspired checkered bikini. You can see them here. And I made this pair of bikini for the same customer and she loved them. And of course I don't have them here because they're already shipped. So yeah, that was my second project for September. I think it took me about a week. I actually made the bikini top real quick, but then the bottoms took me longer. They always take me so much longer than the top. I'm always like, oh, I made this top really quick, I'm going to finish this bikini in no time, and then the bottoms take me so much time. It's always like that. I don't know why. Especially this one, it was checkered and I had to interchange colors continuously, and like of course those are interruptions during your crochet process, and it takes you so much more time than if you just crocheted rows without changing colors like ever. So yeah, but it was very fun to make. I fell in love with checkered stuff. So I thank my customer, she knows who she is, for her order, because she definitely inspired me to make so much more stuff, because she really has a good taste. The third thing I made in September is a blue butterfly top, and then we have the fourth one, actually this one, the fourth one, green butterfly top, and then the 5th one is a pink butterfly top. I'm talking about all of these together because they were for an order. The reason why I don't have the blue one, I will show you right now. Story time. These 3 butterfly tops were supposed to go to the same customer. So she ordered 3 butterfly tops. She was from the US and I was about to ship them. I made them in time. I was about to ship them. She told me to ship them before September 14th. Actually, she had to have them at her home before September 14th. And I made them. They were ready to ship a few days before September 14th, so they would arrive in time. They usually arrive to the US in 2 to 3 days. So I got her order done and I texted her and she left me undelivered. And I was like, okay, I'll wait a few days. And then I texted her again the next day, actually. She left me undelivered again. And I decided not to text her anymore. I was like, whenever she replies, I will ship her order. And I was just sorry that I didn't, send her stuff before September 14th, because it was part of this order was a birthday gift for her best friend, and this one was for herself. So I made those and I really felt sorry that I couldn't ship them. So then I actually found her Facebook and I was about to text her there, but I was like, if she doesn't see them on Instagram, she's not going to see the messages on Facebook either, because like she didn't deactivate or anything. And she also hadn't been like online or posting anything on Facebook since August 25th. And I think that she texted me on Instagram before August 25th. So I was like, she might have disappeared from social media since August 25th. And I was actually getting pretty hopeless. So a few weeks went by and I actually texted her again. This was because another person had texted me and ordered the blue butterfly top in size small. So I really thought about it and I was like, I have a blue butterfly top that my customer that was supposed to take it didn't take. And I told the new customer that I had one of those in stock, so she needed it fast anyway. So I told her that I have one in stock. That one in stock was part of this order, but she didn't take it. She didn't want it, apparently. So I told her that I had one in stock, but what I also did was I texted my first customer who ordered these. I texted her and I said, hey, I hope everything's okay, because I really started to get concerned. I was like, what if something happened to this girl and I'm continuously texting her? Like, that's annoying and sad, and I hope nothing happened to her. I hope she's fine. And so I told her, hey, I hope you're okay, but I have to tell you that if you don't reply within the next 24 hours, I'm gonna have to sell your ordered butterfly tops to other people, because they're already ordering and I don't want to keep these home. Like, if I wanted to, I would make myself lots of butterfly tops, but I don't actually wear them that much. I will only make them if I go to vacation, because I don't feel comfortable just going out in these. Maybe I will be, but right now I don't need these butterfly tops, okay? And I kind of want to sell them. So I texted her that and I waited if she replied within the next 24 hours, and she didn't. I'm still undelivered and it's been like a week. So I shipped her stuff. I shipped her blue butterfly top to another customer, and I'm sorry for that. If she ever texts me again, I will make a blue butterfly top for her again, and I will send her these two if they're available. If not, I will make them again. But the point is, it was kind of my mistake, okay? I didn't ask for her payment right away. If I had asked for the payment the day she ordered, I would actually been able to ship her order in time. And of course I had to ask for, her shipping information and payment on that same day that she ordered. So I didn't ask for any of those because I try to be understanding, and I try to tell customers that they have to pay the day that I ship so that they trust me. But that's a mistake, and I realized it with this order. It was a mistake. I need to tell customers that they need to pay the day they order, and they need to send me their shipping information right away, so that if they need their order on a specific date, like the girl who needed it on September 14th, I will actually be able to pay for the shipping and actually ship their order to their home before the day they need it. So I don't know if you get my point, but I am not blaming the customer at all for, not texting me. She could have been busy. She could have been just needing some time off social media, but it's my fault. I should have asked for the payment and the shipping information so I could ship it to her. At one point, I actually wanted to ship her stuff. I wanted to pay for it myself. I was like, okay, she can send me her payment after, but I didn't have her shipping information, so I couldn't do that even if I wanted to. And yes, that's a mistake on my side. I did have to ask for the payment the day she ordered. I have seen some people that are kind of rude about it. They tell you, no, I don't want to pay for it right away. What if you don't make it? But you don't see those same people complaining about having to pay that same day for an Amazon order. They order on Amazon, they have to pay that same day, and they don't complain. They only complain about small businesses. But I took that into consideration, and I wanted my customers to trust me, so I didn't ask, like, ever for the payment on the day they ordered. But from now on, I am going to do exactly that. So yeah, that was my third, fourth, and fifth thing that I did for the month of September. The next things I made in September are this dark blue scrunchie, this red scrunchie, and a white one. I don't have the white one with me right now because my sister was wearing it and she's not here. So I made these 3 scrunchies for my sister's birthday. I wanted to make her something myself, apart from buying her some stuff. I also wanted to make her a handmade gift, and I chose 3 scrunchies because I was kind of short on time. So I made these in a few hours and I got them all ready to give them to my sister, and she loves them, and she is wearing them with different outfits. That's why I actually made 3 colors. I didn't want to make just one color. And the other reason why I made scrunchies for her is because when I made scrunchies, I was just designing them, she loved them and she would wear them even at home. So I was like, she must love them, so I must make them. I made 3 scrunchies for my sister. So that was the 6th, 7th, and the white one was the 8th project for September. The 9th project for September is this shoulder bag that I have showed y'all. I will link that video here somewhere on the screen as well. And it is a shoulder bag that I made for myself because I kind of never make myself anything, and I really wanted a shoulder bag. I have bought the lining and the fabric for the lining actually, and the zipper, and I will just take it to a seamstress, and I will tell her to, I don't know, put the lining and zipping and sew it all together, and then I will have a beautiful shoulder bag that I will take everywhere. Oh my god, you have no idea. I will wear it with every outfit. Look how good it looks with this pink shirt, pink top. It looks good, and it looks good with any outfit, so I'm gonna wear it all the time, okay? The 10th and final thing I have to show you, the 10th and final project I made in September, is this shirt, this top, which is not finished. As you can see, it still has to have another sleeve, but I don't know why this sleeve took me so much time. I think it's because I'm using a 2mm crochet hook and a size 1 yarn, as I always do. My mistake, my usual mistake. So yeah, I am working on this, and I'm probably gonna be finished in 2 days. I'm saying 2 days because if I only had to crochet, I would finish it today, honestly. But I'm saying in a few days because it's exam season and I'm so tired. I have to study a few hours a day every day if I want to succeed. And yeah, that is why I'm not crocheting that much these days. So this is my final project for the month of September. I'm probably gonna include this one in the projects I made in October video because it's still a whip now and it's going to be finished in October. That was it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this. It was a short video. I usually make longer videos, but this was a short one. I really wanted to start making these kinds of videos because these videos were the reason I started watching some YouTubers like Mr. Bobbin. Her viral everything I crocheted, I think it's in the year of 2021. It was July or something. Yeah, that video made me watch her other videos, and I really love these type of videos because you can actually see finished products and so many of them, and I don't know, that gives me good vibes. So I really wanted to start making these kinds of videos. In the future we're probably gonna make these videos with my sister, but as for the month of September, she's still a beginner. She's still kind of slower at crocheting, so she's still not into these type of videos since she doesn't crochet a lot within a month. So yeah, that's a plan for the future. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched it until here, even if you watched it just a minute, thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed these videos. Definitely tell me what videos we should make in the comments down below, and stay tuned for our next videos. In our next one, we're doing a tutorial on something with Halloween. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but yeah, next week you're going to see a video on a tutorial on how to make something for Halloween, and I hope you guys love that video as well. Yeah, definitely subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to follow our pages on Instagram and TikTok.